Second requirement for proper deity worship is cleanliness. All the fruits should be washed, all the nuts should be washed, all the raisins should be washed, the dates, all dried fruit. Practically speaking, the law of the kitchen is wash everything except the flour. Atta, you say atta. Besan atta, gehun atta, chana atta. It's called flour, right? I don't mean mogra and that flour. So, you wash the dry fruits? Oh, what is that? My mother never did that. What is it? You wash the raisins and the dates and nuts? Oh, we never did that. Yeah, but you're a malecha. And Krishna's not a malecha. He's God. And cleanliness is next to godliness. And try washing the dry fruits once and see what happens. See how much dirt and camel hair and rat stool and everything else that comes out of the water when you wash it. Oh, no, we bought this dry fruit in a very good shop. 600 rupees a kilo, one kilo cashews. Very good, pakka shop. Wash it and see how much dirt comes out. And moreover, the water purifies it. It's pure, it purifies. So anything we want to offer to Thakurji, which ultimately will take, if he leaves anything, will honor or take the prasadam, it should be clean. So Prabhupada taught us punctuality, cleanliness, and the third principle of deity worship is simplicity. So simplicity doesn't mean that you just offer Krishna, one chickpea and a slice of apple, or you just, like in Banki Bihari, they understand this principle of simplicity. So every day he gets a new outfit. He gets a 99 rupee dhoti every day. They take one white dhoti that costs 99 rupees and they wrap it around him and they give him a flute and that's a new outfit, and anybody can get that Mahaprasadam. And that's a little too simple. So simplicity, Prabhupada said, he defined simplicity in deity worship as don't concoct. Whatever Guru has taught you, whatever you've learned from proper shastras and Archan Marg, then you follow those. Don't make concoction. Don't get complicated. Keep simple, let's say straightforward, simple approach to deity worship. You can have very elaborate outfits and all kinds of jewelry if you're in this kind of bhav. And Prabhupada even said for temple puja, where you have installed deities, they should be worshipped like Lakshmi Narayan, which means with grandeur and pomp and in a royal way, at least in terms of paraphernalia, although your bhav may be Madhurya bhav or Braj bhav. But if you have your personal deities, your own personal deities, then you can worship them according to your bhav, but still it should be simple.